we're going to be comparing fractions. As always, the first page gives you an example with pictures, okay? We're going to go ahead and work on a few of the examples in here, okay? Number 1 says, if I have 7 over 9, and then there's going to be a box, right? And 9 over 12. Wait, hold on. Which one, okay, is greater than, less than, or equal, okay? Now, remember the greater than, less than, or equal, okay, signs, okay? Okay, hold on. I'll put it in there, hold on. Okay, so you're going to be using those 3 signs only, okay? Greater than, less than, or equal, okay? Now, the thing is, we cannot be using the comparing signs unless the denominator are the same. Got it? Are they the same? No. So if that's the case, we're going to go ahead and have to make them the same, okay? So we're going to go ahead and have to make them the same. Now, 9 and 12 have a number in common, right? Okay, so remember back when we were doing GCF and LCM, what does 9 and 12 have in common that you can multiply, to come up with, okay? What's a common multiple they have? Okay, so I see Abchiro here going on her multiplication table down 9 and 12. Find a number that they share in common. Do they share, do they share 18? Okay, no, the smaller is better. Do they share 18? No, right? Do they share 27 or 24?
No.
Do they share 36?
Yes.
Okay, so the common denominator is going to be what? 36, right? So you're going to be looking at making that 9 into 36 somehow, okay? What do we have to do to make that 9 into 36? 9 times what is 36?
So, 4.
So we're going to go ahead and multiply 4, right? Okay, now whatever we do on the bottom, we have to do where? On the top, right? So we're going to multiply the top by 4 as well, okay? So we have originally 7, right? What's 7 times 4?
7 times 4, 28.
28, right? Okay? Now what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to go ahead and write the new fraction. It's 28 over 36. Can we compare them now? No, right? We have to do the other side now in the same way, okay? So 9 and 12, we said 36 will be the common denominator. So we need to make sure that number over here is going to be 36 as well, right? Okay? Now, if you recall, 12 times what is 36? You can use the multiplication table. Not 5.
No,
4. 3.
3, right? So what is, if we do it on the bottom, what do we have to do on the top?
Times 3.
Times 3, right? Multiply it by the same or divide by the same. What's 9 times 3?
3.
No, 9 times 3.
28. 27.
27, right? Do we have the same denominator in blue? 27 over 36, 28 over 36.
No.
Yes.
Is it the same bottom?
Yes.
Yes.
The bottom has to be the same. Okay? Now, can you tell me which way the sign will go? Which one's biggest? Which one's greatest? That one, right? So we have to make sure we answer correctly, and we're going to go ahead and put the sign towards the big number, okay? Because if you're hungry, you're going to go for the bigger pizza, right? Not the smaller one, okay? Let's do another one, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do another one. Number 2 has the same denominator. Number 3 is very easy, okay? Number 3, you have 2 over 11 and 1 over 11. Which one is bigger, okay? Which one is bigger, okay? And you just point it to the left, okay? So 2 over 11 is bigger, okay? We can say that, without a shadow of a doubt, because 11 and 11 is the same, okay?
So
Now,
this one needs to go this way, the smaller one.
I'm sorry?
So this one needs to go to the smaller one.
You always put the sideway V towards the bigger one, okay? And what I do, by the way, is I imagine this is a mouth with teeth, okay? So if you're hungry, what are you gonna eat? Are you gonna eat a bigger pizza or a smaller pizza? The bigger pizza. So which way are your teeth? Towards the bigger or the smaller pizza? Bigger pizza, right? Okay? So you're gonna put that greater than or less than sign always pointing towards the bigger one, okay? Alrighty, so let's do one more. Okay, we have 1/2. And don't worry if you cannot see it, I can shrink it. 1/2, and then you have 2/5, right? Okay, so we need the common denominator, okay? We need the bottoms to be the same. Okay, are they the same right now?
No.
So what do we have to do to make them the same?
Time is 10. Time is 5. 2 times 5 is 10.
Okay, so we look on the multiplication table, okay? And we go all the way down, and the smallest or least common multiple they have is 10, right? 10 and 10. So we're going to make it to 10. And you said 2 times what is 10?
5.
Times 5. If we do that on the bottom, what do we have to do on the top?
Times 5.
Times 5, okay. What's 1 times 5?
5.
5.
5, okay. What do we have to do here to make that 5 to a 10?
2.
2.
Times 2, right? Okay, what do we do on the top if we do it on the bottom?
Times 2.
Times 2.
Do the same, right?
4.
Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, now go back to the original. What is bigger, 1/2 or 2/5?
1/2.
Why 1/2?
Because this side is too big and
Okay.
that is small.
So what we have here, we have a common denominator, and now we just look at the top, and the 5
It's bigger.
is bigger or greater than 4, okay? Do you think you understand, or do you need to do one more problem?
I don't
I understand.
understand.
She doesn't understand like the signs.
Okay, I can help her with